Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. If you are tired of spending hours searching for research papers, this video is for you because today I will show you three powerful AI tools that can completely transform your literature search. So I believe that while you are going to use these tools, so it will definitely help you and will save your time. Usually we search for articles from Google Scholar, but if you are using these tools, it will help you and it will save your time. So without wasting any time, I will move toward the first tool. So simply search in a Google Semantic Scholar and then you will log in here. So here is some options over there that you can use, but here you can see there is a search bar just like Google Scholar where you can search for the article and you will get a very perfect feedback from here. So for example, I will write here search paper in AI field published in last 5 years in a world. So now you can see here is the response that I got, and now there is multiple options over there, like I can do some further modification. I can change field of study from here, like you can see I can choose from here, and also I can select date range, like from which year to which year I can choose the article from here, and also I have option of PDF. Beside that, there is a list of authors, like for example, if you are going to search for specific authors, like if there is professor that you are going to study, so what you can do, you can simply choose his name and author and you will be able to get all his articles from here. And beside that, there is again option of journal and conference papers, so you can do all these changes from here. It's completely depend on your requirement. So I will quickly move toward another tool that can help you while you are going to search for article, which is Research Rabbit. Simply search in a Google Research Rabbit and then you will be able to see this is the interface of the platform, where there is an option of sign up and also login. If you have account, so you simply log in. If no, then you can create your account here. And after that, when you get login, so now you can see this is the interface of Research Rabbit tool, where there is a search bar where you can write the title and also a prompt that you are looking for a topic, and also you can paste a UI of the article. So it's completely on you, and there is multiple options that you can use. So for example, I am going to write here search a research paper that published in last 5 years on AI. So now you can see there is multiple article that I got by a simple search. Some are published in 2018, 2021 and 2015. So you have multiple articles over there. And beside that, again there is a chatbot where you can write and then you will be able to get some more articles. You can see on the right side there is a PDF option available out there, so you can simply download the PDF. And the most amazing feature of this platform is mind map. If you click here, so now you can see there is option that you have. You can create a map of the articles. For example, you got all these articles by a simple search. So when you click on the circle, so now you can see these are the information of authors. So you can adjust all these article in a sequence according to, you can say, according to your selection. For example, I'm going to choose article from 2020 to 2025. So then according to year, I can adjust all these, and also according to you can say methodology, experiments, and also according to results. So you can differentiate all these articles. So this is really very perfect feature when it comes to screening of article, when it comes to selection of article. So I really like this feature when it comes to my experience with Research Rabbit. So whenever I search for article, I simply use this method to you can say select article. So this is really something that can save your time and also can benefit you to do a perfect literature search. When it comes to plan, so you can simply upgrade this. There is a very small fee which is $10 per month, and if you don't want to invest on this platform, you can simply use free version. So it's really something that can help you. There is no need to pay if you don't want to pay. So now I will move toward the last AI tool that I usually use when it comes to search. So that is Perplexity. So simply search in a Google Perplexity, and then you can click on the first option. Now if you have account, so you can simply log in. If no, then you can create. It's really simple. So now when you log into Perplexity, there is a chat bot where you can write a prompt, but I will highly recommend that your prompt should be attractive. If you are new with the AI tools, simply learn how to write prompt, because the feedback that you will get from Perplexity and other AI tools, that is completely dependent on your prompt. So the more amazing is your prompt, the more perfect feedback you will get from this platform. So for example, I will write a prompt, and now you can see there is multiple article that I got by a simple prompt. So now if you click here on the link, so you will be able to download all these articles. And beside that, you can simply choose other tools, other models from here. Like you can go with Gemini, you can go with Claude. So the Perplexity is giving you multiple options. When you click here on the plus option, there is a option of deep search, but for that you have to pay like $17 per month, and also there is option of annually if you can pay. So I will highly recommend that Perplexity paid version will definitely help you in your research. But if you are not going to pay, so there is no need, because you can simply get a very good response from Perplexity. Obviously there will be quite difference between paid and free, but still there is a very good response that you can get from Perplexity. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Have a good day.